There you go, guys. I got myself a very beautiful gift. Thank you, Lord. I got beauty sponges. This is all non-reusable. But ito yung aking brush. It's new. Kita nyo naman. I just remove it here. For blush, for something. Ito, I got new brush. And ito ang aking essentials for eyeshadow brushes. Here. Pang eye makeup. So, it's all for eye makeup. Ito yung mga hindi ko pa nagagamit. But I'll keep it because I love this. At ito, yan, here. I got all the necessary makeup tool that I need na. So, this is the most lovely collection that I have here. So, this is a very, very big and fluffy brush. Pero hindi ko pa siya bubuksan. So, I still have a lot of brushes na ginamit ko. Winash off ko siya. Hindi pa siya natutuyo, guys. Here's my other brush. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's all for the eyes. I hope you can see it clearly. But, ito yung mga pang mata. I got another set here. Yes, here. Ito. So, I'm learning makeup. I'm resuming to learn makeup. And I'm also being fond of makeup. Talagang nagme-makeup na ako noon pa man. But, I have to invest it. Kasi na, making makeup is my hobby. Look, I got the tools. And here's my concealer shading brush. I got it from OVV. And this one is a little, maybe powder brush. And ito, powder brush din. I got, may dalawa akong ganito na nalalabhan pa. So, and this one is my concealer and shading brush from Manji. Parehas. And this one is blush brush or shading brush. Angled siya. And I got another brush here. I'm sorry, nakalimutan ko tong labahan. But I'll definitely wash this off soon. And I got another beauty sponge here. Beauty sponge to. From Lishu. Yeah, okay. And I got myself a gift. A bag for my makeup brushes. Thank you, guys.